This is Ricky from down in Widewater. So in this evening's video here, kind of getting back to a little bit on the gun side of things. We are, what we're doing here is I have these this Caldwell tactical driver bag here, and what we use this for, it's a sandbag for target shooting, but we use it to turkey shoot. We rest the barrel on this side here, and then this little piece right here, the stock sets on, and that's what we shoot off of. We shoot off these sandbags. But this evening's video is going to be, I have some more empty tactical bags that actually are Temu bags. Got them from Temu. They're empty. I have 3 of them, and what I'm going to use them for is actually, when I put these in the car, I'm going to set my guns in the bags here like this, so the barrel would sit here and then another stock would sit like this, and it holds my gun in place while I'm traveling to the turkey shoots, keep them from moving around. So you're going to be with me here, probably going to make a mess. I have some, I probably should have got some sand, but we have aquarium gravel, and I already have some poured out in this little container here, and I got a funnel here. And what we're going to attempt to do here is, this is the fill bag, and we're going to fill these up, so like this. And so I'm just going to bring you on with the journey here and see how this works out live, and just make sure we got a good video here that you can see, and you can. And so yeah, so let's give this a shot. These have Velcro in the inside of them right here, so they don't they lock up and everything. So we're gonna stick this in here, stick this in here like this. Oh, I thought. Ooh. And we might pour some of this out and go a little bit slower. Yeah, I have to pour these in a lot slower, and we're going to have to, we'll probably end up time-lapsing some of this, because I'm sure this is going to be kind of boring here a little bit, so we don't want to make it boring. And I don't think that I'm going to have enough to do all 3 of these bags. I wonder if this hole is big enough for me just to pour them in like this. Maybe. Let's get some more in here. Oh, wrong side. That would have been bad. Here. Nope, we ain't doing that. We're gonna make a mess. Woo-wee. Yep, no. Back to the if I had something with a bigger, go a lot faster, but I don't, so. Yeah, we'll definitely be time-lapsing this, folks. All right, let's get some more. And it's a little hot outside right now too. Oh, stop. Whew. Yeah, I'm sweating. I think I got a little rhythm going on here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm getting there, but whew, we got a ways to go. All right, let's start it again. Really stuck now. Stuck down in there. All right, I think I'm gonna stop the camera and then I'll come back once I get it filled up. All right, folks, I'm back. So, I literally just put, this bag was 25 pounds of gravel. Either it wasn't really 25 pounds, I don't know, but, and I thought 25 pounds would at least fill this thing up, but no. Epic fail, epic fail. So we will continue this video. I will buy some more, but I don't think I'm gonna buy more of the gravel. When I was at Walmart the other day, they had some bird seed. So I think I'm gonna buy a big bag of bird seed, and that's what we're gonna try to finish filling this one and to fill the other two. So sorry that we didn't get this video done. Stay tuned for the next video, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one, and I'll probably go ahead and post this one and leave you a little cliffhanger. All right.